Hello world. I've just installed GIMP on my Windows machine. I'm in Windows 10 Pro version 1909 right now. And this is GIMP version 2.10.18, I believe. So I spun this up and opened the project I wanted to edit, and lo and behold, my toolbox is half empty. And that's not supposed to happen. So I read in the manual a little bit. It took me a while to figure this out. Um, these are actually in tool groups. That's what this little triangle here is. But this drop down is supposed to show me all the tools in the group. And it doesn't seem to be working on my machine. So what you do to fix this is go up here to Edit, go down to Preferences, and once this loads, you'll go into Toolbox under the Interface menu. And in Toolbox, uncheck this Use Tool Groups. And see, that fixes it. It puts all your tools back in the box. And now they're all working. And these are the different groups that they're arranged in the new version of GIMP. And I think this is a pretty cool feature once it's working. But for me, it didn't work. And it took me a while to track down where this was at. And I just wanted to let you know about it and how you can fix it if you have this same problem.